Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Pratesh with My Blockchain Education. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about what we're looking at here with the price action for Bitcoin. Yesterday, we were at a decisive point. We were forming an ascending triangle for a few days, and it was at a point of whether or not Bitcoin could break above the price point of 5,300. And we have since been rejected from that. It was quite a bull trap, I would say. I was watching the move yesterday. I was just sitting at my computer waiting to see whether or not we were going to go up or break below. And we can see that today we've clearly broken below that trend line here. I've got the Bitcoin USD chart pulled up. We can see this big bearish engulfing candle. Volume, sizable volume, not crazy volume, but I guess that's going to depend on whether or not we decide to break lower or if we continue to consolidate here at this price point. But in this video, guys, I wanted to talk a little bit about Litecoin. Litecoin was one of the plays that I was keeping on top of over the past few months. I've got to say, my portfolio has definitely seen some nice gains, and I have since taken profits on my Litecoin position. I'm completely liquidated from that position. By the way, guys, none of this is financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm just talking about my strategy, and hopefully you guys can find some value from this video. But anyway, Litecoin did have the biggest run up, I would think, aside from maybe Bitcoin Cash, who might also be up there with it. But in anticipation for the halving, I think that what we saw was this big increase in price, very similar to what we saw back in 2015. Here we are 4 years later. Litecoin halving is going to be taking place in August. So I think part of the reason we saw this big price pump was because of that event. And here, guys, I've got the daily chart pulled up for Litecoin. I've got some indicators pulled up here. We're looking at the RSI, the fib, and I've got a 20-day moving average pulled up here, as well as the trend line drawn from what we saw with the price point over the past few weeks. And we can see here right now, after having since broken below that trend line, we can see here that we have a big bearish engulfing candle, which has found support on the 618 fib, which is also confluent with the 20-day moving average. So very, very strong support here. We can see now whether or not we break below this or not, we are going to keep an eye on it, guys. I'm following this pattern, following this trend. I'm looking for a good place to go long. I would think that, depending on what the price does from here, we can either trade sideways, we can consolidate on this 20-day moving average, which has been very, very strong support, as we can see throughout this uptrend. Or if we break below this line, I'm looking for this trend line here as the next line of support. That would put us close to around the $70 price point, very close to it. Now, anything could happen, guys. I'm forecasting, I'm thinking that we're either going to consolidate here or we're going to close below it and break down further. $70 is my next level of support. And if we break below that, it depends on the volume, how hard we fall down. If we do break below on heavy volume, I'm looking at $60 as the next level of support. But we're going to keep an eye on it. I'm going to keep you guys posted. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tick that little notification bell. That way you know when I post that video. And don't forget to drop a like to let me know that you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any comments or suggestions for future videos, be sure to put that down at the bottom. But anyway, yeah, just keep an eye on Litecoin. I think that this is definitely going to be a play that I want to be involved in, especially with the gains that we had over the past few weeks and days. I was able to take profits very well up here, and I'm looking for a good place to go long. So yep, don't forget to hit that subscribe button again, guys. Also, while I've got you on this video, I wanted to talk a little bit about the website here, myblockchaineducation.com. Guys, go ahead and check out the website. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you're able to browse the website and maybe find some value from it. But essentially what I want to do is just build a platform that has a resource for you with blog posts and YouTube videos where you can find information about cryptocurrency technical analysis, as well as if you're new and you're learning about investing, you know, which projects have good fundamentals. And this is all going to be, it's going to be a hub that encompasses all that information. So hopefully you guys are able to check this out. Let me know what you think. And that's it for this one, guys. Please be sure to drop a like and stay tuned for the next one. Cheers.